Comrade Taya Aboyeji, Pro Petroleum Tanker Drivers, PRO of the Petroleum Tanker Drivers branch of Nupeng, Southwest. Thank you for coming.
You're welcome.
Chief Remy Ogungbemi is the President, Amateur Maritime. Right?
Thank you. Good morning.
Thank you.
Happy evening.
And in the studio as well is the Area Commander of Area B, Apapa, ACP, Assistant Commissioner of Police, Innocent Anene. Thank you for coming.
Thank you for having me.
All right, before we get into the conversation concerning the port and congestion, somebody sent in a tweet. Let me see if I can get the particular person's name, but I think I remember what he said in that tweet. He said it has to do with reporting to the police. Yes, Wilfred Nwabude, so I got the pronunciation. Wilfred Nwabude says a friend was arrested just because he said he saw a kidnapped woman on his way to church. He paid 50,000 naira to secure his release. But
he went to report.
He went to report to the police.
And he was arrested.
And he was arrested, and he paid 50,000 naira to secure his release. How would that encourage people to report to the police? That's not your topic, but let's get that out of the way.
But listening to this, it does not seem to be real, because if he had gone to a police station to report, that police station must have a name. And if it's a police division, there is a DPO there. That DPO must be under an area commander. And the area commander is under a commissioner of police. And so he has avenues of reporting. If he gives them such a useful information of somebody kidnapped, what is the job of the police in the first start, if it is not to protect life and property? So now, if somebody is kidnapped and he has seen, that's a very vital information.
So he should send us the details. So
who should he report to? I mean, it may not be him, but other people might have had other cases. So if they had that kind of thing, who are they supposed to report to?
Just like I've said, if they report it to the division, to the divisional police officer, if you do not handle it very well, they should report to the area commander, who will find out what happened. And if the area commander do not handle it very well,
take it to the commissioner.
The commissioner of police is there to
How do they get the numbers to report, to call, and all of that?
In most police divisions, the numbers are commonplace. It's something anybody can get. All police officers do not hide their numbers. And whether in the night or at any time they pick, you see when they pick my phone, I was like, if there is crisis, I will not be able to attend to it. But there are other people too who can attend. Even if the person do not have the number of the particular officer, he should be able to ask. Just walk into any police officer, his office is open. If you are not treated very well at the divisional level, instead of discouraging people from giving vital information, which is the antics of the criminals, to show people that you can't trust the police, you don't have to report to them. If you do not report to them, the criminal is a winner in the game, because he will keep doing what he's doing. And because the police do not get the information, they won't be magicians.
Okay.
The police are not helping their own case.
Okay, thank you. So we just wanted to get that out of the way. You have issues, you've been arrested, you're asked to pay money to be released. He says you can report to the DPO or to the area commander, or you can take it up even up to the commissioner of police, and it's easy to get their numbers. You can also, even Google can get you some of their phone numbers.
That's right.
Because they have their website. Okay, thank you. Now back to the matter. Let me begin with you. What caused the congestion at Apapa area? I mean,
Well, the congestion within Apapa recently is a backlog from the restriction given by the Lagos state government. No, there was a restriction on movement of truck within the Lagos metropolis, and that restriction really affected the movements of trucks. But the very day government deemed it fit to relax the restriction, so that is why you see the backlog. And what is the cause? The ones that have loaded that could not go out in the day, so and the one that are ready to go in when the restriction was announced, when the relax was announced, so it became a problem. I know the very time, the very day the restriction was relaxed was a Sunday, and a Sunday is not a working day. And all those trucks that are loaded inside the port needed to go out. And before any trucks can go out, it has to be checked. And there must be security operatives, especially custom, that will ascertain that all trucks that are coming out of the port are duly documented and checked before they can come out. So the period of checking, and the period by which the trucks that are queuing needed to go out. So that is just the cause of that backlog.
But Chief, what we witness is more of vehicles going towards the port, not coming out of.
Yeah, that is what I mean. The truck that's supposed to go in, they cannot go in. They have to wait until the ones inside is clear out.
Have come out.
Have come out.
Okay. And you said there was a relax of the law.
Yes.
What do you mean by that?
You see, they said they should not move. They said the truck should not move between 6 a.m. and 9 p.m.
Yes.
And if they should move at all, it has to start from 9 p.m. and 6 a.m., which I see as extremely difficult to comply with. So when the authority now see the problem, maybe that necessitated the relax of that restriction.
Okay. Mr. Ebed, did you guys have problems around that area as well?
Well, I would say we as a tanker driver, as a body, we don't have problem at all. The only area we have issue is just that most of the stations and media houses are saying that tanker drivers are causing traffic in Apapa.
But aren't you causing traffic?
No, that's why I'm here, to tell you that it's not tanker drivers that are causing the gridlock at all. Because we are law abiding. We have put up measures.
You are law abiding?
We are law abiding, yes. And we have put up measures that will not make tankers to be on the road, which is paying off, with the collaboration of the task force set up by the government.
Okay. You are not causing the gridlock.
We are not.
But you are the ones parking along the road, and that is being law abiding.
We are not parking. Can we make a specific place that we park along the road?
Papa will show the expressway. You don't park along there anymore?
No, not anymore.
Not anymore.
Not anymore.
So it's the... Okay.
Then when we used to park along the road, about 5-6 months ago, we have issues. All the tankers in Nigeria are coming to Lagos to petroleum products. There was no products anyway. But interestingly, when this government just came in, it began to find out that Kaduna Refinery can work, Warri Refinery can work. So we have fewer tankers coming to Lagos.
Okay, so not all are coming to Lagos
anymore.
No,
not any that are coming to Lagos anymore.
Fantastic.
That time when we park along, we are facing challenges. And thank God for the government that have made the fuel available in most of the parts of the country.
So you're saying that in that gridlock of Sunday till up till Wednesday, there were no tankers there?
No, we are even affected. Most of the tank farms that are supposed to load, that are loaded, they are not even loaded up to capacity due to the gridlock.
Okay, please, before you go to Mr. Anene, I need to come back to you, Chief. I still don't understand your explanation of the relax of the law. So what is being enforced now?
Well, we have gone back to the status quo.
Oh, they can move at any time?
At any time. That is it. And again, the problem, it has to do with the fact that the environment, especially the road, can no longer accommodate the volume of activities that we are giving the road. There are population increases, there are vehicular increases, there are business activities increases everywhere, and yet the road infrastructure remain the same. The necessary infrastructure that's supposed to grow, pursue with all these increases are not there.
The road into the port or the roads within the port?
All encompass. All encompass. It's not limited to only the road within the port environment. You see, this is why we're having problems. People migrated into Lagos daily, hourly basis, not just a daily basis. And there is no how we can expect the roads and the infrastructure that we have been using for more than 40 years to still accommodate all the levels of increases. And again, it's unfortunate that most of these blames are being laid at the doorsteps of the truck operators. And whereas we are not in it.
Okay.